pretty sick.
Whoa! Right.
I've become very self-conscious that the water's just there and the camera's just there.
Yes. I am. Please don't break a leg. Yeah, just go like diagonal across. She's very brave. Please seek assistance.
Guys, you gotta really judge that really well.
Yeah, I'm not good at judging things.
My zoom is sick. Watch this. Watch how. Wait, hang on. No, you can go, boss. You don't have to go. Watch. Shut up!
You can see the river soon.
Oh my god! I didn't know my camera could do that. I learned something new every